JCFC Hotel and Restaurant. This way, ma'am.
Mabuhay! Welcome to JCFC Hotel and Restaurant. How can I help you, ma'am?
Hello, I have reservation for a suite room for 4 days and 3 nights.
May I have your name, ma'am?
I am Hazelnut Dizon from Mabalaca.
Yes, ma'am. I have your details. You are Miss Lizzie Dinette Dizon from Mabalacat, and you booked a suite room for 4 days and 3 nights from 23rd of October. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, that's right.
Here's your registration card, ma'am. You don't need to fill up everything because we will do it for you. You just need to sign it here, ma'am.
Is that all?
We will be needing one of your valid ID, ma'am, to confirm your reservation. Is that okay?
Okay, this is my valid ID.
We will just photocopy your valid ID, ma'am. I hope you don't mind.
Not at all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Just a few seconds. Here's your key card, ma'am.
Right here, number is 105. It's on the 5th floor and the convoy will take your luggage. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Can I have your room number, please?
Yes, it's 105.
Okay, Mrs. Dizon, how would you like to pay?
Do you accept card?
Yes, ma'am. We accept all valid international credit cards.
That's good. I would like to pay by card.
Okay, ma'am. Would you pay now or after checking out?
I would like to pay after I check out.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Have a pleasant stay at JCFC Hotel and Restaurant.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Welcome to JCFC Hotel and Restaurant. May I help you to carry your luggage?
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. May I know what floor are we going to?
On 5th floor and room 105.
This way, this way.
Let's go, guys.
This way, ma'am. We are here at your room, ma'am. Would you mind if I explain some of the facilities in here?
No.
So to start off, we have the double bed. Minibar is also here, where when you get something, you have to pay for it. The price contents of the minibar is also listed in here. For your internet connection, ma'am, the Wi-Fi password is in your key card holder, ma'am. And the bathroom is also here, which has a sauna bath. And it is perfect if you want in a long time.
Alright.
If you need anything else, please don't hesitate to call the front office desk. Have a great day.
Thank you. Guys, here is the Wi-Fi password if you want. Thank you.
Guys, what is the Wi-Fi password?
Here, take it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Felicity speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to request some towel.
May I know your name and room number, ma'am?
Yes, my name is Hazelnut Dizon and my room number is 105.
Okay, ma'am. Your request for a towel, is that right?
Yes,
Do you have anything else to request?
not at all.
Okay, ma'am. I will tell immediately to the housekeeping department about your request.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a pleasant day.
Housekeeping. Good afternoon, Miss Dizon. I am Pandis from Housekeeping Department, and I am here to deliver your requested towel.
Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Have a pleasant day. Housekeeping.
Good evening, Christine speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to request a wake-up call for tomorrow morning.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your room number, please?
Room 105.
Okay, ma'am. What time do you want the call?
I need 2 calls. One for 7 a.m. and the other one is 7:15 a.m.
We can certainly do that. Expect a call from us at 7 o'clock and then again 7:15. Is that all, ma'am?
Yes, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a pleasant stay.
All right, thank you.
Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe's Hotel and Restaurant. Francesca speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to check out now. Can you call a bellboy to help us in our luggage?
Alright, ma'am. May I know your room number, please?
My room number is 105.
Okay, ma'am. Please wait for a moment. I will call our bellboy to come to your room.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a good day. Thank you. Room 105 is ready for checkout now. Thank you.
Good day, ma'am. Are you ready to check out?
Yes, this is all my luggage.
Alright, ma'am. Have you packed all your things?
Yes, I have.
Let me just make sure you didn't leave anything behind.
Okay, thank you.
Here,
Okay.
luggage. Let's go, guys. Alright.
Housekeeping.
Mabuhay, I'm Mariana Princess. How may I help you?
I would like to check out, please.
May I have your room and proof of identification, please?
Room 105.
Thank you, ma'am. Wait for a minute, ma'am. Have a seat first. Hello, this is front desk. Any update for room 105?
This is housekeeping. Room 105 reduced the minibar by 2 chocolate snacks and 2 sparkling water.
Okay, thanks. Excuse me, ma'am. For waiting, ma'am. Here is your bill. You have incurred a total charges of 26,300 pesos. Your room have a total charge of 15,000 for 3 nights. You also acquired 10,500 for your fine dining and additional 500 pesos for acquiring our valley service. For your minibar purchase, you have acquired 300 pesos. Here is your bill, ma'am. Can we check if there are any corrections?
Thank you. I agree to my charges.
May I have your bill now, ma'am?
Here it is.
How do you wish to settle your account, ma'am?
I will pay it in credit card.
May I have your credit card, please?
Here it is.
Thank you, ma'am. Here's your receipt, ma'am. Here's your card, ma'am. Can you please sign your name here?
Okay.
Alright, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you for choosing JCFC Hotel and Restaurant, ma'am. We are hoping to see you in your next visit.
Let's go, guys!
Thank you for choosing GCFC Hotel and Restaurant. We truly appreciate your visit.
Thank you so much for choosing JCFC Hotel and Restaurant. Have a great day!
Thank you so much.